Okay, part 2 of our unboxing. Actually, this would be the Serbian knife. I misstated on my first video that kala ko yun yung box ng Serbian knife, but that was the vegetable chopper, which is also a rugged outdoor knife. Okay. Blade guard. All right. First impression. It looks good. Looks like it's heavier in front, which is expected because of the large blade on this knife. And you can see there's may mga factory oil pa, since this is made out of high carbon steel, so kailangan nilalagyan ng oil or mantika para hindi siya nagkakalawang. Feels really sharp. The thickness is probably not as thick, or probably as thick as the previous one on my video. Let's try it out. Kung gaano siya katalim. Handle's pretty good. Not sure kung saan gawa to. Looks like it's a wood. Hindi ko sigurado kung synthetic, but it's a nice handle. Ergonomically, okay lang siya. Hindi man siya sobrang hassle. Alright, cutting wise, sharp, pero just like nung isang vegetable chopper, hindi siya gaano sumasagad. Siguro dahil din sa way ng pag-chop ko, hindi siya pa slice. But it is sharp. Actually, mas matalim siya dun sa vegetable chopper na sa una kong video. Sharpness, pretty good. Yeah, really sharp blades. I'm impressive considering made in China. I just don't know how long na mariretain yung talim, but that shouldn't be an issue since sanay naman ako maghasa. So yeah, I'll include the link in my description kung saan ko siya nakuha. Actually, galing siya ng AliExpress, and the company I think is Tito or Sheetwo. Not sure how you pronounce that name. So yeah, till my next unboxing video. If you guys like the video, please hit like and subscribe so you guys could see the next videos na ipopost ko. And soon I'll be posting cooking videos din. So thanks guys. Okay, hindi pa pala tayo tapos. Hindi ko napansin na meron pala siyang kasamang holster sa box. And meron din siyang kasamang sharpening stone. So just in case na kailangan mong maghasa while you're outside, so hindi mo siya poproblemahin. And then, I mean, looks like a cheap holster, but it'll do the job. Unfortunately, while I was playing with it earlier, actually, dito dapat siya. I accidentally removed it from here, and since, you know, cheap materials, tanggal siya, pero, you know, pwede ko naman siya ibalik using rivets, so yeah, not too bad. Fits perfectly. Kung hindi ko lang sana siya nasira, it'll do the job. Yeah. So kung nasa outdoor ka, pwede mo siyang isuksok dito yung sinturon and bit-bit mo siya sa habang naglalakad. So yeah, not bad for the price. Yeah, again, from AliExpress. Siguro from Philippines, if you order them, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. Shipping is not too bad. So let's test the sharpness using paper. So I got some in here. Let's see. I don't expect as much since makapal siya, so I don't know if it will be as sharp as my other knives. Not too bad. Actually, I'm impressed na kayang hiwain ng ganito yung papel. Yeah, there you go. Serbian knife from China. Thank you guys.